HookahPro.com, your ultimate source for everything hookah. Find the latest tips and tricks, videos, reviews.
Know what they hate for, I'm just getting my paper. Well, maybe they'll love me more when I'm gone. I don't wanna leave, but I need to. It's such a shame. They gon' miss this place. 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 I try to believe you, I don't wanna leave.
What's up, Hookah Pro? This is BTB and Mordecai with a, I guess it'd be part tobacco review, part packing review. As of recently, I have finally done a Nakhla Overpack. I've watched Dee's video, and I've watched some other videos on how to do the overpack, and I tried it my first time a couple days ago, and it turned out really, really well. So I thought I'd, share my knowledge on the subject, and maybe I can get some critiquing on it. But what you need for this is your typical standard Egyptian bowl. This one has the 5 holes in it and everything. Fits about like 15-20 grams of tobacco, and you need your tobacco. Today I figured I would just mix my last couple of Nakhla Peach and Lemon. They're both of the same stickiness and wetness consistency, so it's pretty even. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing today with the pack is I'm going to lightly pack it, I'm just going to pack like a normal bowl and then put double that on top and then put the foil over. Because that's what I saw Dee do. I saw DJ Maniac Mike do a packing method where you would pack it down in the bowl and then put it on top. But I like the just kind of fluff packing it on top first to get better airflow. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You also need a long poker like this. I'm going to do the going up through the bottom hole poking method because I think that works out pretty well, because you can get direct airflow. So, alright, I'm going to bring this down. Okay, you see here I have my tobacco and my bowl right here. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get it together like that. Just going to find a few stemless places, and pretty much what I saw is you just grab a bunch and then just kind of place it right in there. Put it right in the bowl. No really specific way to do it. You just put it right in. And right there, that's about how you should pack a normal bowl. It's about at the rim, maybe a little over. And then what you want to do now is pretty much just keep on packing that on top until we have a nice mound going there. That might be a little too much, but we'll see. And what you want to do is just lightly pack it down, just a little bit, so it's not too big. And what you want is as much in the bowl, you want that on top. So you want like an even amount. That's where the bowl ends, and that's where up top right there. So I think that's pretty fair to how large the tobacco should be, and you want to get any stray tobacco leaves off the side. Make sure there. Yep. Okay, and you want foil. I don't have heavy duty foil, so I'm going to have to use first and second layer. Okay, let me get this down. Okay, so you got one piece and 2 piece, and of course I like to do shiny side down, and pretty much you just put the foil right over the tobacco. I've seen some people do the tabletop method where they'll actually push it down like that on a tabletop to get it even, but I like this method a little better, just because it's what I've learned on. Okay, so as you can see, you have noticeable largeness on there. You have an abscess, so that's what you want. You want the tobacco to be on top there. Okay. Now we have a bowl, as you can see, a little raised. You want to take your poker and just go right through the bottom and just find holes and then just poke it on through. Oh shit. That was a little too big of a hole. Cut it right here and come back and refoil this up. Alright, I'm back. Had a little trouble last time with the little foil getting it. Kind of made a huge gape in it, but I figured out a good way now. So you just want to go right through the bottom of it, as you can see right there, and then poke it right through the top so it has good guidance of the holes, and just kind of twist it, move it around so you got big enough holes for good airflow, and then just do it to each of the holes of the bowl. So I got 3 right now, got 2 more to go. Sometimes they're hard to find, but once you get them, you're good. And there's 1 more. There we go. Poking on in there. So now I got 5 big holes right there. And what I like to do is I like to poke holes all around. Not a lot of holes, just enough so you can get airflow to other parts of the tobacco. And what I do is I make sure to go the whole way down so you can get better airflow. I don't really do any particular foil pattern. I just kind of poke holes where I deem necessary and where I'd like to see tobacco. I haven't really got down how many holes I like to put in yet, but I like to put, what I got? I like to put less than 20 probably, even less than that probably, so that's a good start right there. If I need more holes, I'll probably put some in as I'm smoking it. So I'm going to come back in a couple minutes and put the coals on and show you how to do that. So I will be right back.